I grew up in Norway. I love being active, hiking in the mountains and swimming in the sea. I want this to be here for my children and further generations. It's important to me who I work for, and in Pipelife we care for building a sustainable company which cares for the environment. We're all worried about plastics getting into the oceans, and we all want to do something about it. Pipelife has taken its commitment to zero pellet loss very seriously. We recognise that this is a journey. Across Europe, all Pipelife businesses are doing their part to keep plastics out of the environment. There are several steps to managing the loss of plastic pellets to the environment. And something which all Pipelife businesses are doing is to install filters in manholes and stormwater drains. Our goal is zero pellet loss. Pipelife is a company that really cares.